We can all see this, right? Okay. Now, the shapes are unusual. You know, normally, most cartoon characters are built on circles. A circle for the head, a pear shape for the body, so on and so forth. But the genie's far more unusual, so I'm going to teach you how to draw his profile. Okay, and I'm going to start with an unusual shape, okay? And you're going to be drawing a lot of S curves here. Okay, start with that. What the heck is that? So it kind of curves in, a little bit up, then around, and then in again. Everybody got it?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Next, about 2/3 of the way down the nose, draw a curved line that goes back like that. Okay? And that's going to be his smile. So you can put a little smile line on top of that there. Ah, now it's starting to make some sense. Okay. Now, make a little almond shape that's pointed on both ends. Okay? Kind of like a football that's lost some air and is pointy on both ends. Okay? Now above that, a curved V upside down. It's actually almost a Y because that line goes over. Okay, now just so we can kind of get more of him in there, his pupil looking at us slyly. Okay, now from this smile line, okay, think of a large mass under here and draw a curve that basically does that. Okay? Okay, now the genie grins a lot, so now we're going to make his teeth. A straight line here, a straight line here, and a slightly curved line here. Okay, and without drawing it, imagine the teeth line going all the way across, and then about here, start drawing it, and add his bottom row of teeth there. So it's got a little bit of air open on the back of his mouth. Okay, now let's work for his eyebrows. So take this curved line here and just bring that up into a little loop, and then another loop like that. It looks a bit like Frankenstein's monster so far, but we'll put his eyebrows on in a minute. Okay, so now we'll put his eyebrows on, and we'll start it thicker on this side and then taper it out thinner towards the other end. And we'll also put his far eyebrow there as well. All right, let's draw the back of his skull now. Okay, so it dips down, then goes round but slightly flat, like so. Think of that as the back of the cranium there. Okay, now make almost a complete circle, but just hide some of it behind that line. Now back to a couple of S curves. So you have an S curve here, and a line down, and a line up, and another S curve here. Okay, and we'll draw his ear. Just comes like this, and like so. Kind of like an uncompleted squash. And for the inside of his ear, he's got a long line that's concave and a short line that's convex. Okay, so now let's indicate he's got a little bit of a cheek here. So that's just a little bit of a curve there overlapping his ear. And now we will draw his large chin. So take that line, bring this out and down a little bit, and then go all the way around and hook up to here. You're almost there. How you guys doing?
Good.
Good. Okay. Now I'm going to increase his smile line a little bit, and that's so I can put his beard in. So you make one line here. And another line that kind of tapers out from it. And we fill that in black. And then the other part of his beard curls around like this and ends in a ball. It's like the number 6 with a ball on it. And then another S curvy line that comes out and connects to that and tapers. Lots of S curves in this guy. His neckline goes back here. And there you have it, a genie just like Mother used to make. How you doing? I want to see some of these genies.
They're maybe
Oh my
not
God,
genius.
that's really good. Jeez, you guys are hired. No, these are great. These are really good. Holy moly. What you got? Wow. These are great. Terrific. Okay, you'll put me out of a job. Those are great. Absolutely terrific. Fantastic. Yay.